The only happiness Wike gets is that High Court judges are giving him counter orders, Chijioke Ihunwo. And now to the news in full. In Rivers State, concerns about judicial independence in Nigeria have intensified following recent statements from a local government leader, Chijioke Ihunwo, the chairman of Obiakpo local government area, expressed serious concern about alleged external influence over judicial decisions, pointing to the action of the former Rivers State governor, now the Federal Capital Territory minister. Ihunwo, during an appearance on Symphony TV, expressed dismay over the perceived interference in the judiciary, suggesting that certain court orders seems aligned with the minister's interests. It doesn't seem aligned, it is aligned. It's not like it's not confusing. It's not seeming to be aligned. It aligns with his interests. They are doing everything for him. They are ruling in his favor. The court is for Wike. That is exactly what it is. So anybody that has an issue with Wike now and goes to court is just wasting our time, because the judiciary has been compromised. So it doesn't seem like they are aligning. They are actually aligning with his interest. He indicated that this influence over the judiciary raises serious questions about its autonomy, especially given the minister's visible presence in the legal sphere. I'm telling you, it's so ridiculous that our judges, our lawyers that are supposed to uphold law and order and to rule fairly and justly are the ones that are being influenced by material things. Because he is building a house for you, because he's buying SUVs for you, because of that you decide to sell your conscience. And if he comes, you see that this thing is black, but because it is Wike that brought this case, let us say that it is white. In this country that has kings and chiefs, you are doing anything that you like, ruling in this person's favor because he is Wike, he is the minister. He's helping you people out. Ihunwo argued that such circumstances could deeply impact public confidence in the fairness of judicial processes. It has already impacted it, because right now people will be praying that they don't have issues in the court or with Wike or with anybody to start with if that person is richer than you, because they can always buy their way through. They can always buy their way out. Once you are the richer person, you can go to them and say, oh yeah, change this case in my favor. And so many of that has happened in time past, and now it is happening in our politics as well. Our politician, our judiciary, buying them with material things so that they will rule in your favor. So why would people be scared or afraid to protest or to do anything? Because they know that when they go to court, of course, who will want to rule against the president? Nobody will want to do that. That is why they will arrest minors, children that are not up to 18 years old, because they went to protest. You are saying they committed treason. Minor children, you put them in prison for almost 90 days or more than. Left them without food, without water. They were looking like Kwashoko when they came out. You had the mind to put them in prison, not knowing exactly what they did. They went to protest. What did they do? Did they destroy things? No. You put them in prison because the president said. You rule in people's favor when you are supposed to stand and speak the truth, even against power, even against our leader. That is what you are there for. That is what you are there for. The chairman highlighted the implications of these actions for everyday Nigerians, questioning how they might affect the hope of the common man. He pointed out that if one individual appears to wield control over court decision, the system perceived fairness and impartiality could be compromised. This is suggested casts doubt on judiciary role as a neutral arbiter in disputes involving citizens and officials alike. Yes, so Ihunwo further stressed the potential impact on the residents of southeastern states such as Rivers, Abia, and Imo. According to him, the judiciary's reliability in delivering justice across these states now feel uncertain to many people who may question the impartiality of court outcomes. He said, people are not happy. The only happiness the FCT Minister Wike gets is that High Court judges are giving him counter orders. That is it, though. That is it. He knows that whatever it is that he does, whatever kind of menace he tries to portray in the society, destroying people's houses and all of that, and saying, oh yeah, go to court. That is what he says now. Oh yeah, go to court, go to court, go to court, because he knows that the court is for him. The court is always for him. He's always going to win. That is why he talks anyhow, without remorse. He just does anything that he likes. So that is the only thing making him happy. Really, it is. Because he knows he's going to win in court. Except by a miraculous, divine miracle, he gets there, and the judges he meets there is not the people that he knows. Then maybe we would have fair justice, and people will have fair trial in this country, because it's really a shame. He claimed to be in charge of the judiciary in Nigeria. See, he even claims it. You know, he likes to brag very well. He likes to brag. That is why he's doing anyhow. That is why he's doing whatever he wishes to do. Going to people's house to demolish their house, collecting people's land, saying that the land belongs to FCT. Every land in FCT belongs to FCT. Meanwhile, it was the people that sold the lands to these people. You sold the lands to them. They built their houses on it. When they were building it, you didn't say that this is FCT's land. When they were buying it, you didn't say this is FCT's land. They have built it with their hard-earned money. And now you are saying that every land in FCT belongs to FCT. And you say that if they are not satisfied, they should go to court, because you know that you are going to win against them. AHL Assign says, you can see how they are misbehaving everywhere. I'm telling you. AHL says again, Wike's only happiness is him with Tinubu means he has the judiciary. I'm telling you. Because it's really, really a shameful thing that our judiciary that are meant to be neutral, on cases, on matters, and not take sides, are the one taking sides with somebody because he helps you. Wike is overbearing and people are just watching him. One slip will see his end politically. We pray he makes that slip soon and very soon, so that we can forget about having somebody like Wike in this country, because it's a disaster. Amos says, the president is responsible for anything good or bad about the national, including FCT courts, not Wike. Magnus Ogu says, your Wike be mumu man. Sherry Brooke says, I don't really know why everything about Fubara is illegal. How is it illegal? What has Fubara done again? Every time Fubara this, Fubara that, Fubara this, Fubara that. Now, one day God will save Fubara from these people, because we know that Wike is a problem. Except you are just decided to turn a blind eye to it. Everybody knows that this man is a big problem. He is. I've been my listeners. What do you think? Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe. Thank you for listening. See you some other time. Bye.